Well, we're middle of July-ish, well nearly middle of July, on the 11th of July. Just occurred to me that I hadn't actually done an update on the sunflower Mongolian giants. So yeah, it's been 2 months since I posted the video on growing them. As you can see, they're in containers still. So that is a 12-litre pot, and all I've done is literally been watering them and feeding now. So just thought I'd do you an update, kind of between jobs, so you can see they're around about the 5-foot mark. So hopefully a bit more grain left to do yet, but that's the, well, it's always been the strongest one and the best one. That weaker one, it's not looking too happy. Might have verticillium wilt perhaps, which I think is probably down to the fact that it's been so wet for so long. Yeah, hopefully that one will keep going. So anyway, that's my update.